Apple just unveiled major updates at WWDC 2025, and they're bringing a whole new wave of intelligence, design, and productivity to the ecosystem. From AI that runs on your device to a stunning new user interface, here are the highlights of what's coming. Let's start with Apple Intelligence, a new on device large language model powering everything from smarter writing tools to personalized suggestions. The big deal? It all works offline, keeping your data private while still delivering powerful AI experiences. Imagine contextual Siri, custom quizzes, and more built right into iOS and macOS. Visually, Apple introduced the liquid glass design, a dynamic, light, reactive UI that adapts to your content and actions. It's clean, fluid, and makes navigation more intuitive while aligning perfectly with Apple's hardware. iPadOS 26 focus on serious productivity, and I'm here for it. The new windowing system allows for overlapping apps and faster switching, turning your iPad into an even more capable multitasking machine. This is going to be perfect for creators, students, and those who use their iPads in a professional way. The Messages app is getting more personal and collaborative. You'll be able to set custom chat backgrounds and use features like polls in group threads, bringing more control and fun to your conversations. macOS 26, also known as Tahoe, is refining the Mac experience with liquid glass elements and better productivity tools. Expect improved spotlight search and new multi display support and more integration with Apple Intelligence. It's a cleaner, smarter workflow across the board. Now, these are just some of the biggest changes coming to Apple devices later this year. But if you're excited for Apple Intelligence and these UI upgrades, be sure to subscribe. I will be covering the beta updates and the real world performance as they drop. You can also check my full in depth breakdown by checking the link in the description or clicking on this video.